वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज मैं आपके लिए लेके आया हूँ कुछ ऐसी जॉब्स जो कि हैं रिलेटेड टू पावर बीआई डेवलपर और पावर बीआई कंसल्टेंट टूल। तो अगर आप इस फील्ड में ऑलरेडी वर्किंग हैं और यू आर एक्चुअली लुकिंग फॉर अ जॉब चेंज, देन यू कैन रेफर दिस वीडियो। वीडियो में हम आगे बढ़ेंगे अपने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखेंगे कौन कौन सी जॉब्स अवेलेबल हैं, किस लोकेशन में अवेलेबल हैं, what is the experience these companies are looking for and other benefits these companies are offering. उससे पहले let me introduce myself. My name is Harish Singh. I'm a blogger, a YouTuber and a job search consultant as well. एंड टाइम टू टाइम आपको अपने वीडियोस के थ्रू, इंस्टाग्राम पेज के थ्रू एंड अपने फेसबुक पेज के थ्रू जॉब अपडेट्स अवेलेबल कराता रहता है। So in future, if you do not want to lose out any opportunity related to data science domain, Power BI developer, full stack developer role, then do not forget to subscribe this channel. Also, if you are watching this video first time, then share this video with your needy friends. Also, subscribe this channel, YouTube channel, subscribe my Instagram page and also my Facebook page. अब बढ़ते हैं अपने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखते हैं कौन कौन सी जॉब्स अवेलेबल हैं, what are the name of these companies and how you can apply for these job posts. Let's jump to the laptop screen.
तो फ्रेंड्स आ गए हैं अपने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और जैसा कि मैं आपको बताया था कि आज जॉब्स अवेलेबल हैं दीज आर रिलेटेड टू पावर बीआई डेवलपर और पावर बीआई कंसल्टेंट रोल। तो अगर आप इन रोल्स में इंटरेस्टेड हैं देन डेफिनेटली वॉच द एंटायर वीडियो आगे बढ़ाएं उससे पहले जस्ट वांटेड टू लेट यू नो अबाउट माय इंस्टाग्राम पेज विच इज जॉब सर्च गुरु फॉर यू, जहाँ पे आप पा सकते हैं लेटेस्ट जॉब नोटिफिकेशंस, एंड माय वेबसाइट callcentertalks.com, जहाँ पे आप पा सकते हैं लेटेस्ट ट्रेंडिंग जॉब्स, trending news about data science and data analytics. So do not forget to subscribe both the channels. Now let's move to the job piece. So the first company is GenPact, which is a well-known consulting company, and this company is hiring for the role of lead consultant Power BI and SQL. Experience they are looking for 3+ years, and location is in Bangalore. And they are also hiring for Gurgaon and Pune location, but for different profiles. Salary they are offering is 11 lakhs per annum to 15 lakhs per annum, and education, bachelor's, graduation, or equivalent. About the role, apply a data analytics approach to solve business problems, utilize data to improve process and risk management strategies, develop data-driven insights, partner and collaborate with across departments with the key stakeholders. So these are some basic roles and responsibilities this company has listed. Now let's move to the required skills, some technical skills, working knowledge of database SQL, experience using data visualization techniques such as Power BI, Tableau, or QlikView, high attention to detail and able to notice patterns and trends in data, thrives on problem solving and able to suggest solutions, distill a complex problem into a workable solution and implement it, and then continuously learn and implement new skills and as well as understanding the latest technologies. So these are some technical skills this company is looking for. Basically, you should have the experience of Power BI, Tableau, or QlikView. Also, database SQL, how to extract the report with the help of SQL queries, that also you should know. Now, if you want to apply for the job post, simply visit the description box where I've already listed the link for this particular job for GenPact. The second company in the list is AMDOCS. This company is hiring for the role of Power BI developer, experience 2 to 3 years. Location is in Pune. Salary they are offering is 8 lakhs per annum to 11 lakhs per annum, which is estimated. And education they are looking for is bachelor's degree in computer science, engineering or related field. Some roles and responsibilities. So the first, the roles and responsibilities they have given is perform development and support activities for data warehouse domain using reports, tools and technologies, understand high-level design, application interface design, and build low-level design, perform application analysis and propose technical solutions for application development, handle product issues, deal to support weekend and call rotation. So these are some roles and responsibilities of Power BI developer in this company. Now, some technical skills they have listed is must possess a strong fundamental understanding of data warehouse, data modeling concepts, experience in architecture, design, and development of enterprise analytical solution, experience in creating report, specification, development, integration, and strong background working with database system along with a strong knowledge of PL/SQL and SQL ability to write complex SQL. So these are some key skills this company is looking for the location Pune. Now to apply for the job post, simply visit the description box where I have listed the link of this specific job. You can just click on the link and you can land to the career page. Also, if you are interested in other jobs for the same company, then also you can review other job positions. The third company in the list is Cisco, which is an esteemed American software company. This company is hiring for the role of technology support specialist, data engineer, Power BI. Experience 2+ years. Location is in Bangalore. Education bachelor's degree or in data and financial analysis. Salary they are offering is 5 lakhs per annum to 8 lakhs per annum. About the role, you'll need to understand the factors impacting help Cisco performance and collaborate closely with our business operations. You'll also analyze our past data and financial performance to assess potential risk and opportunities. Your role will be pivotal in providing continuous input for improving our financial performance and execution. Additionally, you'll be tasked with consolidation, summarizing, and streamlining our report on key business metrics. So these are some roles and responsibilities this company is looking for. And if you have experienced any of these pointers, then definitely you should apply for the job post. In addition to this roles and responsibilities, there are some technical skills they are also looking for. Minimum 2+ years of experience in data and finance, a strong Power BI and dashboard development skills. This is a must. Proficiency in data analytics and financial models, ability to create data-driven storyboards, high proficiency with Microsoft Excel, a strong interpersonal collaboration and communication skills. So these are some technical skills this company is looking for, along with this the roles and responsibilities. Just visit the description box where you can easily get this link to apply for this job post for the company name Cisco. The fourth company in the list is RAMBOLL. This company is basically an engineering and architecture based company, and they are hiring for the role of BI developer. Location is in Chennai, so if you are willing to relocate to Chennai, then also they will help you out. Experience is 2+ years. Education they are looking for bachelor's degree in computer science or stats, and salary they have not disclosed, but they'll provide you some competitive salary. Let's look into some roles and responsibilities this company is looking for. Present your BI solutions to user stakeholders in the BI team. Monitor, improve, and constantly optimize existing structures, data flows, and processes. Take part in the daily task in our data warehouse and BI solutions, in-depth understanding of a database management system, online analytical process, that is OLAP, and ETL. Teach users how to create your value in Power BI with Ramboll data and then create good customer experience. So these are some basic roles and responsibilities. In addition to these roles and responsibilities, this company is also looking for some technical skills, which are have expert knowledge in SQL Server integration service and Power BI, strong knowledge in data visualization, modeling, query performance, strong knowledge on writing stored procedure, complex query and text, have hands-on tools like Power BI, SSMS, Visual Studio, have knowledge on SQL Server, Analysis Server, and Power Query. Good to have is TFS and GIT. If you're interested for this job post as a BI developer, then definitely you should check out this link, which I've already given in the description box. And by clicking the link, you'll likely redirect to the career page of this company, and you can also check some other job openings. Now, the fifth and the last job for the week is for the company name S&P Global. This company is hiring for the role of senior specialist BI visualization, experience 2 to 5 years. And if you're willing to relocate in any of these cities, Gurgaon or Hyderabad, then you can just apply for the job post. Education bachelor's degree in mathematics, finance, economics, computer science, information management, and salary they are offering is 9 LPA to 13 LPA. Some roles and responsibilities this company is looking for: help develop solutions that enable the company to effectively provide an interactive analysis for internal and external clients, build relationship internally across all departments, and then transform, create, maintain, and enhance visualization, providing analytics and insights using various BI visualization tools. Now, some required skills this company is looking for is proficiency with one or more programming languages such as Python, JSON, SQL, or PostgreSQL. Minimum 2 to 5 years of experience using business intelligence, data visualization tools, QuickSight, Power BI or Tableau. Understanding database structures, scheme, and data information. Excel skills, proficient using pivot tables, experience in Power BI, admin and visualization, agile management experience is a plus. Willing to learn, work hard, and take instruction, and then work collaboratively with others. So these are some basic required skills. So if you have experience in Power BI, SQL, or Python, then definitely you can apply for the job post. Simply again the same the link I've given in the description box, which is clickable. You can just click it and can line to the career page of this company called S&P Global. So guys, these are 5 jobs for this week. Due to some time constraint, I need to wrap up this video fast. But do check out all the links in the description box. Pause the video if you have any doubt regarding roles and responsibilities. And still, if you need any help related to job, related to interview material, do check out my Instagram page, my Facebook page. And you can also reach me through my mail ID, which is called center26@gmail.com, which I'll be dropping in the comment box and in the description box. Thank you very much for watching the video. Have a great rest of your day.